In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead finder in Gumloop 2025 guide. We'll build a reusable workflow that automatically searches for local businesses, collects key details, and saves them to your system. Start by logging into Gumloop and creating a new workflow. Give it a clear, searchable name so you can find it later. Something like Lead Finder, local businesses. A good name helps keep your automations organized as your library grows. Next, add an input or variable step to make the workflow flexible. Create inputs for business type and location. For example, business type equals dentist and location equals New York. These inputs let you reuse the same workflow for any niche and city without editing the steps each time. Now set up how you'll find leads. Add a browser or web automation step and choose your source, such as Google Search, Google Maps, business directories, or industry websites. Build the search using your inputs, like dentist in New York. Enable looping or pagination so the workflow can move through multiple result pages. Keep your browsing speed reasonable and respect site terms to avoid rate limits or blocks. With results in hand, loop through them. Add a loop through results step and have the workflow open each business profile or website. Insert a short wait or delay so pages can fully load before extraction. This small pause prevents missing fields or errors and makes your run more reliable. Then extract the details you care about. Use extract or scrape data steps to capture the business name, website URL, email address, phone number, location, industry, and any social links you find. Save each field as its own variable so you can clean, filter, and export them easily later. If a field isn't present, make sure your step handles it gracefully. Clean and qualify your leads right inside the workflow. Add conditions to skip entries with no email, no website, or the wrong location. This ensures only high-quality leads move forward and saves you time downstream. Optionally, enrich with an AI step to analyze each lead. Have it estimate company size, suggest who the likely decision maker is, and note how automation could help them. Use these notes to personalize your outreach. When you're ready to save, connect outputs like Google Sheets, Notion, Airtable, a CSV file, or Slack alerts. Set clear column headers, name, website, email, location, and notes, so your data stays tidy. You can also extend the workflow to draft cold emails, send Slack notifications, generate